I know that a lot of the people who use Aweber are makers. You make cool content, you make amazing products, and sometimes you make digital tools and digital products, apps and the like. Now I want to show you how to add Product Hunt embeds to your landing pages really easily. So Product Hunt is a place where you can list neat digital products that you've built. So I've made a couple things. This thing is called Friendly Faces. It's an avatar generator for people. So I just grab my Product Hunt link, drag in a content URL element, paste that link right here. It's going to reach out to Product Hunt, get all sorts of information about that thing. And now on my personal landing page, I can list out all of my projects on Product Hunt. And I have this scrollable gallery. I can see how many people have upvoted it and who has upvoted it, and navigate back to Product Hunt to keep upvoting it. Now here you can see I pulled in 4 of my recent projects on Product Hunt, and I have my whole little interactive gallery that took me just a couple seconds to set up. This is really cool, and I hope if you're using Product Hunt, you give this a try and build yourself a showcase page to show the neat stuff you're building and build out an email list that you can communicate with, grow, and learn from. If you want to stay up to date on all the ways Aweber can help grow your audience and build your business, subscribe to the channel.